Have you ever noticed that some boys' faces naturally look attractive? Their features are sharp, their skin is clear, and their expression just screams confidence. But then there are other boys who can change their hairstyle or use expensive products, and still they can't get that fresh, confident look. So the question is an attractive face only a genetics game? Absolutely not. It's the result of a daily routine and the right habits. In today's video, I'm going to give you 7 real and practical tips that will naturally transform your face. No filters, no fake skincare. And if you already follow even some of these habits, you'll notice the difference yourself within the next 30 days. So get ready to level up your look. Tip 1. Reduce face fat. A chubby face looks cute, sure, but when those lines disappear, the whole face starts looking dull. And honestly, that's the reason people who could look attractive still come off as average. Now understand, facial fat isn't something separate. It's part of your overall body fat, meaning if your body fat drops, your face will naturally become sharper and more defined. So what's the solution? First, maintain a light calorie deficit. In other words, eat about 300 to 400 calories less than your usual daily intake. Fat burns slowly this way, and your face will start to look lean without feeling unhealthy. Second, cut down on sugar and salt. Both make your body hold water, which makes the face look puffy, especially around the nose and eyes. If you want faster results, staying hydrated and avoiding processed foods is equally important. And here's a simple hack: chewing gum. Chewing for 15 to 20 minutes daily keeps the jaw muscles active and brings a bit of tone to the face. Follow this routine for 3 to 4 weeks. You'll clearly see the difference. Cheeks will tighten, the jawline will become slightly visible, and your face will look naturally energetic. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. Reducing facial fat is a process, but if you stay consistent with daily effort, next month you'll feel the change when you look in the mirror. Tip 2. Fix your diet. An attractive face isn't built by skincare alone. It starts from your plate. Face glow and freshness come from inside, and if your diet is poor, no matter how many creams you use, that glow won't last. First, focus on clean, nutrient-rich foods. Keep these 4 things fixed in your daily diet. 1. Fruits, especially papaya, pomegranate, oranges, and watermelon. They're packed with antioxidants that make the skin clear and bright. 2. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. They give healthy fats that keep skin soft and hydrated. 3. Hydration. Aim for 3 to 4 liters of water a day. Water flushes toxins and the skin naturally glows. 4. Avoid oily and sugary foods. These are the main reasons for acne and dullness. Every time you reach for oily chips or a soda, remember your face will pay the price. Bonus tip: start your morning with green tea or lemon water. It helps detox the body and naturally improves skin tone. Clean diet equals clear skin. Oily and processed food equals acne, dullness, and a tired-looking face. If you make this change for just 2 to 3 weeks, the texture and glow of your face will visibly improve. Tip 3. The right hairstyle matters. Bro, hairstyle isn't just fashion. It frames your face. A perfect haircut highlights features, while the wrong style throws off the entire facial balance. Every face shape needs a different hairstyle. For round faces, high-volume styles like quiffs or messy spikes make the lines appear sharper. For long, oval faces, go for side fades or low-volume cuts so the face doesn't look even longer. For square faces, a clean side fade with light beard balance works perfectly. Maintenance is important too. Get trims every 3 to 4 weeks or hair starts looking uneven. If your hair is dry or frizzy, apply coconut or argan oil twice a week and shampoo every 2 to 3 days so natural shine stays. Before getting a haircut, understand your forehead and jawline shape. The style that balances both is your perfect cut. When the hairstyle is symmetrical, the face naturally looks attractive without filters. Tip 4. Dressing sense. Dressing isn't just about putting on clothes. It's about highlighting your personality. The right outfit makes you look fresh and confident, while wrong fit and color make you look dull. Fit is the most important. Fitted shirts and clean necklines that show the shoulder line make the face look naturally sharper. Simple rule: if the outfit matches your body proportions, the face will automatically glow. Color matters too. For wheatish tones, navy, olive green, and maroon are perfect. For fair tones, black, gray, and earthy shades work best. These shades give both glow and contrast to the face. Clothes must always be clean and wrinkle-free. Even a simple outfit looks classy if neat. Pay attention to neckline and accessories. Round neck t-shirts give a casual vibe. V-necks make the face look a bit elongated. If you wear a chain or watch, keep it minimal and classy. And most importantly, when you feel comfortable in an outfit, your posture and expression both look confident. Tip 5. Skincare. Skincare doesn't mean you need expensive products. It means keeping the face clean, balanced, and healthy. For boys, skincare is not complicated. Just follow a basic routine. Let's go step by step. 1. Shape the eyebrows slightly, but don't overpluck. Clean extra hairs. Neat eyebrows highlight the eyes and make facial expressions sharper. 2. Dark circles. If you're a night owl, this is your main problem. Get proper 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and limit screen time. Cold spoons or rubbing an ice cube reduces puffiness and makes the eyes look fresh. 3. Dry, dull lips ruin the whole face vibe. While brushing, gently scrub your lips to remove dead skin daily. Then apply aloe vera gel or petroleum jelly. Lips instantly become soft and look natural. 4. Facial hair. Beards helps define your face structure, but a full beard doesn't suit everyone. Trim according to your face shape. For round faces, short sides. For long faces, a balanced beard. If your beard is patchy, a stubble look works best. Keep it clean, mature, and natural. 5. Daily skin routine. Wash your face morning and evening with a mild cleanser that removes oil and dirt. Exfoliate twice a week to remove dead cells. And don't forget to apply moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is essential. A balanced routine gives you a natural, not artificial, attractive look. And when your face feels clean and fresh, your confidence automatically rises. Tip 6. Lifestyle for an attractive face. Real change doesn't come from only skincare and haircuts. It comes from lifestyle because your sleep, stress, and daily routine show up directly on your face. 1. Sleep. First, get 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep. The habit of scrolling your phone all night shows up on your face first. Dark circles, dull skin, and tired eyes. A well-rested face always looks fresh and glowing. 2. Hydration. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Water flushes toxins and skin naturally glows. If you stay dehydrated, the face looks lifeless and dry. 3. Stress control. Overthinking and stress affect hormones directly, and hormones immediately affect skin and face. Keep meditation, journaling, or a short outdoor walk daily. This relaxes both mind and face. 4. Workout. Exercise is not just for the body, it's for the face too. When you work out, blood circulation increases and brings oxygen and nutrients to the skin. The result? Healthy, tighter, glowing face. Tip 7. Confidence and expression. The most underrated thing is facial expression and confidence. Because even if your hairstyle is perfect and your skin is clear, if your expression is dull or posture is low, the whole impact is gone. An attractive face isn't only about features, it's energy and vibe. That energy comes when you carry your look confidently. 1. Eye contact. When you talk to someone and look them in the eyes, they instantly feel your confidence. Don't avoid eye contact. It's a silent power that makes the face expressive. 2. Smile naturally. Fake smiles are obvious. A natural smile doubles your face's glow. Smiling makes you look confident, approachable, and positive. 3. Relax your facial muscles. If you're always tense, your face looks tight and stressed. Loosen up a bit. Keep your eyebrows soft. These small things make you look composed and attractive. 4. Body language. Stand straight. Keep your shoulders open. Posture amplifies facial confidence. A guy who is comfortable with his look automatically looks attractive, whether his features are perfect or not. So friends, that was your average to attractive face transformation guide. No filters, no fake promises. Now you have a clear roadmap. Reduce face fat, eat clean, keep your hairstyle and dressing right, and work on your confidence. Remember, an attractive face is the result of habits, not luck. Follow just 2 to 3 habits and you'll see the difference in 30 days. And if you want to take your looks to the next level, click on the video that's on the screen right now and watch it. Thanks for watching.